9th subject social chapter 3 hydrosphere. In this lesson we will learn about evaporation, transportation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, groundwater. Evaporation occurs when the physical state of water is changing from the liquid state to gaseous state. The process by which water is transferred into gaseous state is called evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the physical state of water and evaporation occurs when radiant energy from the sun heats water, causing the water molecules to become so active that some of them rise into atmosphere as vapor. Evaporation also takes place in land, lakes, rivers and oceans, send water vapor into the air. Transpiration is the evaporation of water through minute pores or stomata present on the leaves of the plants. Here carbon dioxide enters while water oxygen exit through a leaf stomata. Transportation. Transportation in the water cycle refers to the movement of the water particularly from over the ocean to the land, the form of clouds. Clouds travel from one place to another mainly due to the upper air circulation surface based circulation like land and sea breeze to the soil, eventually returning to the ocean in the air. It moves in the form of water vapor. What is condensation? Condensation is a process by which water vapor in the air is changing into liquid. Condensation is a critical to the water cycle because it is responsible for the formation of clouds. Cools down and gets considered into tiny droplets and clouds. When the transportation from gaseous phase to the solid phase occurs directly, then it is called deposition. Precipitation is a water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing, rain sleet, snow or hail. When the clouds meet cool air over land, falls as rain. Creates runoff that travels over the ground surface, filling lakes and rivers. It is defined as any liquid or solid aqueous deposited that forms in saturated atmosphere. Runoff is a precipitation that does not get absorbed into soil nor evaporate and therefore makes it away from the ground surface into place that collect water. It is the primary agent in the soil erosion by water. Much of water that returns to the earth as precipitation of the surface of the land and flows down hill into streams, rivers, ponds and lakes. Groundwater. Groundwater, one of the important phases of water cycle is groundwater. Groundwater is a part of the precipitation that seeps down to the soil until it reaches rock material that is saturated with water. Under the groundwater, it is stored in the spaces between rock particles. In few special cases, groundwater even flows upward in artesian wells. The speed at which the groundwater flows is much slower than that of the surface runoff. This is about hydrological cycle. Thank you.